So we're going to use this, and you know, we're going to do a haunted house. Look at this haunted house. So this is an essential stencil transfer, but we have to paint this first. So we got our wooden round. Again, I got this from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, this is a big one. This is a big stencil. Trying to get that to fit this whole round. I think it will. I'm going to just cut this right here. I think that fit pretty good. I think it's going to fit pretty good on there. I'm just going to take this little wooden one. Let me start here. I want to start from. I think I like this trim. I'm going to do the trim. This is Christmas, y'all. This is Christmas from Hobby Lobby last year. We're going to do Fabri-Tac. I'm just going to use my Fabri-Tac. I'm going to put what we're going to put on here. So we're going to use some bats. We're going to use some bats. And this is what I mean. I'm using all my packs. And then we're going to use these little jack-o'-lanterns in here. And then spider webs. Spider web there. Y'all, look at this spider. Isn't that fabulous? I mean, oh my goodness. We'll let her crawl up the house. I know she's big, but that's okay. I think, gonna put, I don't know, we may diamond dust these guys down here. Yeah, you know what? We can diamond dust those ghosts too, and these, and that moon. I think that would look good. Okay, so here are our Totally Dazzled Halloween pack. How cute, y'all. So cute. This is gonna have to do. Okay, so we're gonna do some Mod Podge. So y'all, yes, these you can get on totallydazzled.com. Let me start here. Oh, you know what? I did not seal this, but that's all right. You can see that moon up there. Do some of these windows. I think I'm going to do some of these. Alright, y'all. We got lots of diamond dust going on. Lots of Halloween pack there. For those that haven't seen the Rhinestone kit, y'all, that's a must. Put it on your wish list, whatever. That is a must. I think, you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to add some little, I'm going to start here. I think I'm going to add some rhinestones, just rhinestone this out. I'm not going to do, I'm not going to torture you tonight by doing all it, but we're going to get started. So you just take this little B7000 glue that it comes with. You can get extras if you want to. So I just put some little rhinestones in my little tray, and then we're just gonna pick it up with this pen. I hope. I may need to change that. So I am going to bling this house out, but there, right there in that porch where that big ghost is, we got some rhinestones in there. So I am totally gonna bling this house out. But yeah, go check out that rhinestone kit. We have a bling wrap as well. That is also something you have to have. You just have to have. Then we have the beautiful bling pieces. Y'all, just look at these pieces.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.